rising, my beautiful people, and welcome back to another video. As you guys can see, I am back at the land to continue my stewardship journey of creating heaven on earth. You guys again that heaven is any place on earth. It's not a distant dream, but a mind rebirth. It lives in the silence, in the in-between, a mirror of love, a divine scene. All is mine and mine is all. Again, you guys, go check out my song, Heaven on Earth. You can find it on my TikTok channel, my YouTube channel, or my website, blisscurrencyoneness.com. And I also have other high vibrational music on there. And I'm almost finished raising the money that I needed to buy the mini skid, so I'm very excited about that. So when I get the mini skid at the end of this month, I will be able to clear so much so fast and be able to work much quicker, you guys. Okay, so let's get started today, you guys. So again, today I'm just finishing what I didn't finish yesterday, and I was burning this pile to clear this pile. And it's probably all I'm gonna do today, but tomorrow I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna start clearing this, you guys. All of this is gonna be clear. I'm gonna chop it down and burn it. And I'm gonna bring my lawnmower and I'm gonna mow all this back here. As y'all see, I got my pick going, and if I can bring it over here where y'all can see my pile. You see my pile doing it down to this little bit. I got this little bitty left. I just not stopped and took me a break. And I haven't even lit my burn barrier. So I'm gonna go over there and light this while this still burning. Go over here and light this right quick. Y'all can see I am pouring sweat. I had to get my towel, because y'all know how it is in Louisiana with this humid weather, baby. But I can't wait to use this humid weather to pour that water right out of the air. And that's one of the natural resources that we can use on the land. Humidity, it's nothing but water. But I'm gonna show y'all that when I get to that. Reclaim the resources, and one of the main resources to reclaim was the land. This is why I'm not paying anybody for any land, because it's my natural birthright to stewardship and take care of the land and my vision. So let's get back into it. Y'all can see that pile is gone. This is the last bit of it that's finishing burning, and I'm done with that pile. Now I just got to figure out what I'm going to do with all this wood here. So I am done for today, you guys. Got that pile clear. When I come back, I'm going to start on this side, get this area clear. But the divine source said, baby girl, you don't need no money. Reclaim the resources through your birthright. And the land is one of the main resources of our birthright. We are the original stewards, the original caretakers of Mother Nature. So I am reclaiming my birthright, which is the land, in which I'm going to stewardship and bring my vision of heaven on earth into reality.